If you have Protrack SCC or milk, you'll have access to the last milking report. To access it, click on Menu, Reports, Last Milking. The last milking screen shows a complete view of a milking session. It shows the most recent or current milking by default. You can tap Previous to view previous milking sessions. The top of the report shows a summary of the Protrack SCC or Protrack milk results. The picture shows a number of results in each category and what proportions of each category have been assigned to an animal. The list of all sensor results for the milking are sorted by time by default, but can be sorted by any of the following: cell count, fat, milk solids, protein, time, and yield.